Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project LED fading using IR remote. So let us see the components required. We need a breadboard, an Arduino Uno board, one LED, a TSOP1738 IR receiver, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, some jumper wire and IR remote. So in this project we are going to control the brightness of the LED with the help of the IR remote. So when you press the button from the remote, the brightness of the LED will be controlled accordingly. So let us do the connections now. So first of all, we will place the LED on the breadboard. Then we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to the cathode of the LED and connect the other terminal to, that is the anode, and connect the other terminal of the wire to pin number 5 of the Arduino. So this is the, then take one more wire and connect the other terminal of the resistor to the ground pin of the Arduino. Now we will connect the TSOP. This is the TSOP. The left, if the curved surface is facing towards us, then the left pin is the output pin, the middle pin is the ground and the right side pin is the VCC. So we will connect the output pin to pin number 3 of the Arduino, the ground to the ground pin and the VCC to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. We will connect the output pin of the IR receiver to the pin number 3 of the Arduino. The ground pin to the ground pin of the Arduino and the VCC pin to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So our connection is done. Now we will upload the code and check the output. Thank you.
Coding for LED fading using IR remote. First of all, open the Arduino IDE library. So here first we have included the IR remote.hpp, which is the IR library. Then we have created a variable IR receive pin for the TSOP output pin and assigned pin 3 to it. Then we have created the variable for the LED and assigned pin 5 to it. In the word setup, we have written IR receiver.begin IR receive, enable LED feedback. This will start the receiver. Then we have declared the LED as output and we have started the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Now in the void loop, we have written IR receiver.decode, which will receive and decode the received data. Then we have written serial.println IR receiver.decode IR data.decode raw data, hex. So the data that is decoded will be displayed in the hexagonal form in the serial monitor. Now next we have given IR receiver.resume. This will enable the receiver to receive the next data. Now we have given some if condition, that if IR receiver.receive IR data.decode raw data is equal to 0 into F50A7 F580. So this means if the received data, that is the hexagonal data, is F50A7 F80, which is the hexagonal data when received when button 1 is pressed in the remote. So whatever button we press in the remote will be received in hexagonal form in the Arduino. So this is the hexagonal form of the button 1 of the remote. So when we press button 1, the LED will glow a little. So we have given analog write LED and has set the value to 50. Then we have given if IR receive decode IR data, decode raw data equal to 0 in hexagonal value 0 into E41B7F80, which is the hexagonal form of the button 2, and then we have given analog write LED 150. So we have increased the brightness, and then we have again give the if condition that if button pressed is button 3, then the LED will glow the fullest. So we have given the analog write value LED as 200, and lastly we have given that if the power button is pressed, the LED will turn off. So this is the code for LED fading LED. So as we press button 1, the LED will glow a little. When we press button 2, it will increase. So we can increase or decrease the button the brightness of the LED by pressing the buttons of the remote. So our coding is done. Now click on tools, select the board as Arduino Uno and the port as COM7, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to the Arduino. Output of LED fading using IR remote. So when I press 1, the LED glows little, press 2, it brightness increase, and press 3, the brightness increase more, and then I can reduce its brightness, and if I press the power button, it turns off. Thank you.